ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
Bam! Hey kids, welcome back. Happy Sunday night. Yeah. I'm not a review channel. We all know this. And, you know, you see a lot of stuff on my channel, but I don't sit there and have people send me shit for free and, you know, review stuff. You know, I share with what I think is good, and most of the stuff I use, I have to say, is good. I don't review it because it's good. And some of you might have a different opinion on this particular topic and product. And if you do, please let me know in the comments. Let me know your experiences with this, and maybe it's just me having bad luck or something. I don't know. But I want to go over or talk about the AKK series VTXs. I've been getting these off Amazon, which is something I usually don't do. I don't usually order quad parts off of Amazon. I order conformal coat and crap like that. But quad parts, not usually. And the first one I ordered was one of these. Now it's chewed up because I was fucking around with it. But this is an 800 AKK FX2. And I put this originally in my folding drone, the GPS drone that we built, you know, the folding one. And the range, and it was all brand new, it wasn't all fucked up like this, and it was terrible. The range was not even, if this is an 800, I'll be shocked. It was awful, like, worst reception ever. Blackhawk and I were out flying, and I mean, I couldn't even go maybe a football field away. I don't even think it was that far. And getting snow, and I usually have really clear DVR. And on all my builds, because I build a very specific way and a repeatable way, and I know it's good and I know it works for me, and this did not. It was a piece of crap. So I took the VTX out of the folding drone and I put it in the wing drone, the new wing drone, and it was even worse. It was just absolutely awful. And it just broke down, you know. And I only flew this maybe 4 or 5 times in the folding drone, and in the wing drone once. And I couldn't even use FPV goggles. That's how fucking bad it was. I just flew line of sight and crashed and whatever else. So I ended up taking it apart and just kind of fucking around, making, you know, doing some experiments. But it's just flat. It won't even boot up. Complete terrible. So I ordered 2 of these on Thursday before we left for our weekend. Sorry, smoking hot white. I ordered 2 of these on Thursday before we went out for my son's wedding this weekend, and they came in today, right? And well, they came in Saturday, and today's Sunday, and I put one in the wing. Which one is it? So, hang on a tick. This is the one. Put it in the wing. As soon as I powered it up, put a battery on it, it worked for about 25 seconds. Okay? And then I unplugged the battery, plugged the battery back in a minute later or so, and I don't know if you can see this. Let me see if I can, where did that, hang on a second. I need a pointer. There it is. All right, see if you guys can see this, dude. See this chip right here? See that little white dot? That would be a burn hole through the IC. Smoke. I mean, I could see a little flame of hell in there. And I can stick that in there and it goes right in. That thing is cooked. Completely fucking cooked. And it's not a wiring issue. It was wired up perfectly fine. And the first time booted up, numbers were good. Everything was fine. No smoke. Plugged it back in a second later. Bam! That little bitch started glowing like Bardwell at a strip club, man. That thing was just horrible. And then smoke came out and that was it. Okay, fine. Shit happens, right? Here's the second one I ordered. I shit you not. Notice anything missing? It's not even in the fucking box. Literally. Had everything else. And it was plastic wrapped. You know, it was plastic wrapped and sealed. It didn't even have the fucking VTX in there. Really? Really? So, I emailed Amazon. These are getting sent back. I ordered a couple other VTXs, because for my quads, I use VTX 03s. Bam, these. That's all I use 99.9% of the time. For drones, and these are great. They're $10 a piece. They have great range, great filtering, no noise issues. Just fucking love them. Are they the most robust in the world? Nah, but they're $10. I'm not paying $30 for a VTX. So, and these were, what were these? $20 a pop, I believe. And so I wrote to Amazon and said I'm sending these fuckers back, and told them why. One smoked, and I was like, I've used 8 million freaking VTXs, right? I didn't wire it wrong. And the one didn't even have one in it. And then this one, I'm not sending back. It's just, it was crap. It was crap from day one. I was so excited. Hang on a second. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. There it is. I was so excited when I did this build. You guys remember this. This is that folding GPS. And I was so excited when I did this. And it's like, oh man, 800 milliwatts, going to be great. It's going to be a little bit better than a 600. And no, it's terrible. Absolutely terrible. In EWAD, which is one of my other GPS drones you guys all know about, I have a cheap-ass 600 milliwatt Eachine off of Amazon in here that I bought a long time ago. And it's one of those 600 milliwatt jobbies. It's kind of big, costs $15, and I literally went a mile away with this with perfect DVR vision. No issues, excuse me, whatsoever. Same thing with my Y4 drone, same thing. This one I ended up putting in the Connex Pro Sight. I took this piece of crap out and I put it in the Connex Pro Sight, which works. I just haven't flown with it yet. I'm going to do an overview of that this week, but that's a totally different thing. But yeah, absolute crap. Now, I did a review on Amazon of these too, and I said these things are absolute fucking crap wagons. Don't buy them. They're crap. I've had 3 in a row now, bought at different times. So it's not these weren't, these two, but this one's missing. It's not even there. There's quality control. This one burned up instantly, just about. And this one was a crap wagon right out of the chute. And this was bought a month or so ago. I'm sorry, once bitten, twice shy, man. I hope you guys had better luck with the AKKs, because I think they're absolute dog shit. That is my opinion. I'm never buying another one, because there's 20 bucks, 40 bucks, 60 bucks. That didn't work. I'm not going to keep buying them until I find one that works. Maybe you guys have had better luck with them than me. I hope you have. But as far as me, these guys are on the shit list for me. So anyway, boys and girls, keep the shiny side up. Have a good week. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.